everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you can barely see anything. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Samson, something else fell. I just heard it. Something else just fell. So there's this ridiculous like rainstorm or something. And you can't see it here. Maybe if I get the light on it. But there's this big tree here. No, you still can't see it.
Cowbell Quintessential.
Shameless plug much, but you can't see it here, but there's actually this big pine tree that has fallen. I'll show you a picture from after school, then I'll upload this. But this storm is ridiculous. It's like so windy, but no rain whatsoever. Alright, I'll see you guys later.